In this video we can talk about top 5 Trello alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives channel. Today's video is all about finding the perfect tools to manage your project smoothly. Ever heard of Trello? It's like a digital to-do list that's super popular. But guess what? We've got something even cooler for you. We are diving into the top 5 alternatives of Trello, which are Asana, Basecamp, Smartsheet, Jira, and ClickUp. These are like Trello's cousins, each with their own unique tricks to help you and your team work smarter. So, let's get started and explore these awesome options together. Introducing the first alternative on our list, Asana. Asana is a versatile project management tool designed to streamline team collaboration and task management. It offers features like workflow builder, app integrations, reporting, and automation. Asana's strong focus on integrations allows teams to connect the tool with various apps, amplifying its versatility and adaptability within existing workflows. One of the standout features of Asana is its ability to create custom templates that empowers teams to replicate successful project structures. Second one on our list is Basecamp. Basecamp acts as a centralized hub for project communication and simplifies team interactions by providing a comprehensive suite of tools to manage tasks. It comes with excellent features such as assignment management, calendar management, task management, and real-time chat. Basecamp's focus on communication within projects makes it a go-to choice for teams valuing transparent and streamlined interactions. Basecamp's standout feature lies in its emphasis on keeping communication central, ensuring that project updates and tasks remain easily accessible to the entire team. Third one on our list is Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a dynamic work management platform tailored for collaborative and automated project execution. It offers features like task scheduling, resource management, project planning, and email management. It bridges the gap between structured data management and project planning. Smartsheet's standout feature is its ability to combine the familiarity of spreadsheets with project management tools. Next, we have Jira Software. Jira Software is a specialized tool primarily used for agile software development that offers a comprehensive set of features tailored to managing tasks, issues, and projects within the agile framework. Its key features like Scrum boards, roadmaps, and automation. Jira's agile-focused approach makes it an indispensable tool for software development teams. Jira's standout feature is its specialization in agile methodologies, offering an array of tools and features specifically designed to enhance collaboration. Last but not the least, we have ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one project management and productivity platform that offers a wide array of features designed to streamline workflows and improve team collaboration. A few of its key features such as Gantt chart, native time tracking, and integrations. Its comprehensive feature set accommodates a wide range of teams and industries, making it suitable for both simple task tracking and complex project management. The standout feature of ClickUp is its hierarchy feature, which allows for the creation of multiple layers within tasks, enabling teams to break down complex projects into manageable subtasks. Compared to Trello, Asana offers in-depth project management with timeline view and portfolios, surpassing Trello's visual simplicity. Basecamp's holistic collaboration includes message boards and campfire chat, providing a richer team interaction experience compared to Trello's card-based model. Smartsheet combines spreadsheet-like flexibility with project management, differing from Trello's visual task management approach. Jira's software-focused tools and agile boards cater to development teams, setting it apart from Trello's versatile yet less specialized structure. And ClickUp's all-in-one platform for multitasking and unified workspace distinguishes it from Trello's task-centric design. After going through the features and other aspects, we would recommend Asana as the best alternative to Trello due to its well-integrated approach to task management and project coordination. Its combination of customizable workflows, automation rules, and the unique ability to create custom templates enhances team efficiency. Moreover, Asana's strong emphasis on integrations with various apps seamlessly blends the tool into existing workflows, making it a top choice for teams seeking a versatile yet cohesive project management solution. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 Trello alternatives that can truly level up your project management game. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.